Hi everybody. I have this dryer, Kenmore brand, that been running for more than longer than usual, and I just found out that it's not drying at all. It's totally completely cold. So the clothes are all wet. I'm gonna try to find out what is going on with it. Okay, first thing, let's stop it. Whoops. And then unplug it. And I'm going to continue to open the bottom drawer to access the igniter, to access the coils, to access all the sensors. And I'm gonna remove the igniter and see if it is broken, or if it is broken, I will go ahead and replace it. To remove this door here, there are two latches, one right there to the left and one to the right. What I have to do to open them is I have to press on top of them. You can use a flathead screwdriver, or you can use a knife, you know, as long as you use caution while doing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to open it. So I need to press on top of it and push it down. This is knife how it's going down. So I'm gonna create pressure to release it. Oops. Oh, almost there. It's probably better you use a flathead screwdriver and do it from the front. Okay, so up. It's embarrassing. Okay, there it is. You can see here where you have to press, push it down. You have a flathead screwdriver. This is not long enough, of course. That's why I use a knife. And you get to press on top of it, push it down, and it will let the door come to the front. I'm gonna do the other one. There it is. 1 and 2. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this, put it to the side. And now I'm gonna show you here. There's the igniter right there. There are the coils, and on the back of this there are a couple more sensors. Is that one sensor right there? And so I'm gonna remove that, the igniter. Check it out. Okay, so to remove those screws, we need a 1/4 inch wrench. It's a little one. Some screws, sometimes you need to use a Phillips or the branch. In this case, I'm gonna use the branch. So there is one screw that I have to remove right here. That one screw, and then there is a hook here. Part of the bracket that is holding the igniter is hooked up right here, and then it's secured with this screw. So I need to remove the screw. You have to be very careful with this, because you don't want to break the igniter if it is not broken already, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, let me get myself ready. Right here. Again, try to be very careful not to break, not to let the igniter, not to drop it, not to let it fall, because if it is not broken, then you might break. Okay, here we go. I got it out. So we check it. As you can see, this is okay. So it's not gonna be the problem. It's gonna get complicated. Okay, I'm gonna put it back. Remember you, and then secure it with the. It's hard to see here. And then secure it with the screw. Okay, pause it. Okay, so it is back in place. Now, I don't know. I don't have a way to check this. It could be these coils right here, or it could be the thermal fuse. Thermal fuse is behind this part right here. So I'm gonna remove this. To remove this, there is a couple of screws, one right here and the other one right here. So, and make sure that the link catcher is out of there. You remove those screws, you're gonna pull this out. It might fall down, so try to hold it while you unscrew it. So there is one. I'm gonna get the second one. Be careful while doing this. Here it is. Okay, I'm gonna put it to the side. And then there is these two items right here. That one, I'm not really sure what that is. And this pretty sure is the thermal fuse. Once it fails, there is no way to make it work again. It has to be replaced. So I'm gonna remove that and do and try to do some kind of testing, and to bypass this fuse right here, all you have to do is just connect these two together, somehow secure them together. There are two screws to remove, and then you have to release these cables from the fuse. This other one, oh my goodness, this is crazy here. Oh, very limited access. Okay, got the screws out. Now I'm gonna get this. Oh, I'm gonna pull it this way. And and pull the cables from it, from the terminals. Oops. There's one, and there is the other. Okay, right here. You can see the cables right here. So since I don't have a meter, I'm gonna bypass this by putting them together, tape them together, and then I'm gonna try. I'm gonna give it a try to see if the dryer works. When the fuse is blown, then the dryer is gonna stop heating. The burner is not gonna turn on at all. Okay, so there it is. Now I'm gonna go back and plug it to the wall. Okay, so there it is. I press start, and we're gonna see. I'm checking here. Nothing is glowing. You see a flame? And you see a flame. There it is. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna stop it now. I'm gonna stop it now by opening the door. There. Okay. So this is my problem right here. This little fuse. I'm gonna have to go and get one. Probably should I say Sears? Let's see. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I got my new fuse right here. 20 bucks plus tax. So you can get yourself one of these probably on eBay or Amazon. It should be a lot cheaper. But anyway, who knows what's gonna happen and when, right? So I'm gonna make sure that you unplug the dryer from the wall outlet. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna remove the tape from the cables. Again, this method of bypassing, just do it just in case that you don't have a meter, a multimeter. There are some probably really cheap out there in some places, but then again, I'm gonna make sure that I'm ready for the next time. Get myself one, just in case. So, all right, I'm gonna do this. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in place. Secure it with the screws. While we are here, you know, we could do some cleaning. Get all the lint from under here, just to avoid the possibility of a fire. Okay, make sure that you kind of tie the screws. Okay, it is secure. So the brand new, the igniter, the coils. So I'm gonna try it before I put everything back. I'm gonna give it one more try to be sure that the door is closed. Plug it to the wall. Setting here, start, and let's see. Have to wait for that glow from the igniter and then the flame. There it is. So that did it.